Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to explain the list of Indian who got Nobel Prizes. The founder of the Nobel Prize was Alfred Nobel. He was born on October 21st, 1833 in Stockholm, Sweden. In 1895, he started a foundation that will honor some of the greatest works in the fields such as physics, chemistry, physiology or medicine, literature, peace, and economics. This gave birth to the Nobel Prize since 1901 to till now. The prize is distributed annually in the form of prizes. Each recipient receives a gold medal, a diploma, and a monetary award. Every year, the prize is given in December 10. They given all prizes in Sweden, but the Peace Prize only given at Norway. Starting the prize money was 150,000 Swedish krona or crowns. It is equal to 12 lakh rupees of Indian currency approx. In 1990, the price grows up to 9 millions equal to 7.4 crores approx of Indian currency in 2000s. In 2020, the amount is higher, that is seek 10 million, that is equal to 8.3 crores approx of Indian currency. Here seek means Swedish krona. Now I am telling about our Indian greatest person who got Nobel prizes. First person, Rabindranath Tagore. He got Nobel Prize in 1913 for literature. He has made his poetic thought expressed in his own English words a part of the literature of the West Side. After Rabindranath Tagore, no Indian has received a Nobel Prize for literature. Second person, C.V. Raman. He got Nobel Prize in 1930 category of physics for his work on the scattering of light and for the discovery of the effect named after him. Third person, Hargobind Khurana. He got Nobel Prize in 1968 category of medicine for his work on electron diffraction. Fourth person, Mother Teresa. She got Nobel Prize in 1979. She was the first Indian woman to win the Nobel Peace Prize. She is known for her service towards mankind. Fifth person, Subramaniam Chandrasekhar. He got Nobel Prize in 1983 for the category of physics for theoretical studies of the physical process of importance of the structure and evolution of the stars.